we conducted a fashion styling workshop where we invited young students and give them like a heads up what is fashion and styling all about and how we actually collaborate clothes and hair, media to come out with a completely entirely new look.
Today we'll talk about how to change our look and how to transform ourselves with few products from our purse only.
For the first situation, we have Anjani. Supposing you guys are not prepared and you have to go to a party after that. So what do? She's going to quickly go and change and show you what has she done to this plazo. Just see the change and then she'll be back in there. So now she's all good to go for the prom or the fest. And the only thing she did was took off her shirt and she made the plazo into a dress. This is one leg of the plazo and she's got inside it. And this is the other leg. Whenever we are going to a party, for example, like a fest, we would want to do some makeup tips that can be easily done from whatever we have at home so that you can get transformed to a college girl and in the evening going to a prom or a fest. Should we show you another way of, quick styling? So we're gonna make it into a half. And we'll tie a knot in the other half. So all of you can have all different types of shrugs every day. So now she is going to do something on her. Let's see what she does. We all have rings, bangles. So now this has transformed into a layered dress. She could go to Goa like this. She could go on a beach like this. So now this has become, it looks like a halter. So we have like a little bit of interesting thing for the boys also. So everybody knows how to tie this normally. Just see how is he doing it. In the first knot, you put the first one. That's called a pretzel knot. Supposing you guys don't have a tie or you guys don't have a bow, but you guys must be having like some scarves that your sisters have or your moms have.
Coming here and getting makeup and learning something from other people. So it's quite new and very interesting for me and for my friends as well.
Basically they told about how to experiment with shrugs and dupattas. Like from a simple dupatta, how can I be making a shrug or a swimsuit?
Working with students, the best part is their energy. There were so many students from different schools, there were students from our school. So all put together, it was such a vibrant energy that you feel elated.